Hello guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we are going to create that method to convert this move which is in Firestore in move form back to the move format, to that move or this move. Okay, so what we're gonna do is down here, let's create that method. So let's give it a comment: convert move string to move format. Okay, like that. So we want to return the move, which now we can say that method convert move string to move. Okay, and then here we're going to take the required argument, which is a string of move string. Okay, now here, so here what we're going to do is to take that move string and split it, because that move string is when we go to Firestore, not this one, we're not saving this one anymore. It's like this. Okay, this is like a single move. Okay, so we want to split it between these hiving. Okay, so let's do that first. So let's say split the move string into its components. Okay, so what we want to get is a list of string, and then we want to get parts, which will be our move string, and dot split. So here we want to split on that hiving. Okay, so first we are going to split that, and then second we want to extract the from and to. Okay, so if we go in this move, let's follow it, this method. This is a move from the package. Okay, so you can see it's got the required from, to, and then it's going to have the promotion if there's promotion, and then the promoted piece and the square it's going to, which is the getting square. That algebraic was this one that we were getting. Okay, now here we need to get the from and to once we split it. Okay, the from is the first part, which is it's coming from 51 is going to 35. Okay, that's how it is. And then now there could be a promotion and a piece, and then there could be a square to get to. So here we can check from here. So it's like this: there is from, to, and then the promotion can be now. Okay, if the promotion is not equal to now, we put it comes out like this. Let me put it in the comment. It comes out like 51 to 35, and then it's got this, and then now there's going to be a promoted queen. If it's a queen, it's going to be a small q like that, which means he has promoted to a queen. Okay, that's what it's saying here. If the promoted is not now, it's going to be like that, and the promoted piece inside there. So if the promotion is now, it's going to have an empty string, which is how it is if it's like this. If it's like this, then there is no nothing is promoted. Okay, and then also there could be a piece. If the piece is not now, it's going to put the piece in the bracket. Okay, and then if it is not there, it will just put an empty string. Okay, so that is how this move is. You can go through it if you like. So now let me close it. So after we have split it like that, Next we want to extract from and to. Okay, so let's extract. I'm going to put comments here so that you can later on just also go through it. From, we want to extract from, and to, like that. So to extract that, these are integers. Okay, so you know that these are integers, so let's get int from is going to equal to int dot pass. What we are passing is the parts at index 0, and then let's extract the 2, which is equals to int dot pass parts at index 1. Okay, so now for the 2, we're going to pass index 1, and then we are going to split that if there is a promotion, because this side, this is the 2, but there could be a promoted piece up here. So okay, so we're going to split it again. So here we're going to say split, and then we're going to split it at this sign. So after we do that, and then we get the index 0. Okay, that this will be our 2. If there is a promoted piece there, we are going to split it between this sign and get the 0, which will be our 2. Okay, and then next, now we are going to extract the promoted piece, if there is any, the promotion, and the piece, if there is any, we extract them. Okay, so now let's extract the promo, or let's say promotion. Now let's just shortcut for promo, and we also want to extract the piece. Okay, so this one, if we can say if available. Okay, so here we have to say if move string. So here we're going to check if it contains these brackets to show that inside there are epices. If it contains not that, it should say contains. If it contains this, then we know there's a promoted piece. Then down here we're going to say string extras, like that. We name it as extras. We are going to say move string dot split, and then here we're going to split at this sign, and then we say at index 1, and then we have to split again at this sign. Now we get what's inside there between that and that, and then at index 0. Okay, that's the extras. And then now we say a list of the string. Here we're going to say extras list. Let's name it as extras list. Let's equal this to extras dot split, and then here we're going to split at the comma. So there should be a promotion and the piece there, and then now we're just gonna say a promotion. We are splitting at the comma because there's a promotion, and second there is a piece. Okay, so promo, we are going to say extras list at index 0, which is a promoted piece. Okay, So let's close that. So this should be our promo. So we need to initialize this on the bottom as that it could be empty. We will create that. So let's say now if extras list dot length dot is greater than 1, then we know that there is a piece. Okay, so we say a piece will be equals to, this one will be piece. We'll create a variable on top which can be nullable, dot extras list at index 1. Okay, like that. And then let's create these two variables on top. So here let's say string, which can be nullable. This could be a promoted piece. And then also let's get another string which could also be nullable. This will be a piece. All right, now once we get that, we just need to return these now. So this will be our method. Now down here we just need to now create and return a new move object, like that. So here we're just going to return a move. Okay, so from to we get from and to, and then now we can also get the promo, which will be our promo app, and then we can also get the piece, which will be our piece app. Okay, so just like that, now we sorted out this move. We can put a comma and save. Okay, so this will be our move, our method to convert that move that we're getting to Firestore back to this move object. Okay, so now let's go inside where we are getting. So here, that's where we are getting that move. Where is that? Oh yeah, here. So here, before let's start with white. This is a black's move, so let's start with white. Where is actually this is the first one, and this is the second one. So here what we can do now is instead of doing this, we will say up here we are going to get the move, which will be new move, and then here we are going to say convert move string to move, and then what we want to convert is this. Let's copy that and paste it there, and then close it out there, so we can put a comma there and save. Now we have that move. So instead of making this move string, now we can make a square move. Okay, so let's say make square move, and then we can put the move here. Okay, let's paste the move there and close it out, and then the rest is the same. We set the squares, and then that's it. So even here, let's copy this down here. Where are we making the move? Here, let's paste that here. So let's copy that and put it here. That's the move that we want to convert. Then here, instead of that, we can make a square move and then pass in the new move there. New move. Okay, so or we can say converted move. Yes, converted move. Also here, let's change that to converted move. Converted move, and then that's it. That's all the changes we need to do. Then let's see where is the error. Where is this error? So here, let's just close it like that. So now we can go ahead and clear our Firestore. Actually, let's just clear the old database, this running games. Let's delete that. and then paste it here. Let's delete. We can bring up our application, then just check if when we are saving the move, did we return it to the correct one? So yeah, we are saving the move string. Okay, all right, now it's time to test our application. That one started. Let's also start on another one. All right, now this time let's make this one as white. So let's create the game from this one. So this one now he has created. Now let's join with this one. Great. So let's play. The game is working just fine. So let's see if now the promotion will work. Let's just get that, and then let's do this. Let's get that. Let's do this. Let's get that. Let's do this, and then let's now try to promote. So I've promoted. You can see that even here it has promoted. Great. Our application is now working successfully. So if we also need to have a check. If we leave here, this user should know that the other user has quit the game or has left the game. Okay, so let's try to meet one user here. So let's see whose turn it is. Looks like it's whose turn is it? Okay, so I'm trying to get the checkmate fast here. So let's black is this one. Okay, and then let's do something like this. Then let's see if we can checkmate. Okay, great. You can see that both sides, you can tell that one has won. Okay, great. Now if we cancel, now let's try stockfish. Let's play as white, and then let's put on hard. Let's go. Now it's stockfish there. See, everything is working. Alright, fantastic guys. We have successfully implemented the online play and also the stockfish play. So in the next video, I'm not sure what is the next feature we want us to do. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.